Traditional sausage stuffing. Coming up. To begin, in a skillet over medium-high heat, add in 1 pound of sausage. Once the sausage starts to get nice and brown, add in 1 full onion diced. Now add in 4 cloves of garlic minced, half a teaspoon of oregano, kosher salt and black pepper to taste. Give that a mix. We want the onion to become translucent. Then add in 1½ cups of celery, 2 tablespoons of butter, Once the butter has melted, add in 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. We're using the flour as a thickening agent. Let the flour cook off about 2 minutes. Then add in 2 cups of low-sodium chicken stock. Bring to a boil until it thickens. Once it's nice and thick, remove from the heat and set it aside. Next, we need 1 pound loaf of bakery-style bread. You can use sourdough, you can use country-style loaf, anything really would work for this. Cut your loaf into bite-sized pieces. And while we're cutting up the bread, preheat your oven to 425 degrees. Transfer the bread to the preheated oven and toast for about 5 minutes. Then transfer your toasted bread into a large mixing bowl. We're going to toast the bread with about 1 cup of dried cranberries, 1 tablespoon of freshly minced sage, 1 tablespoon of freshly minced thyme, 1 tablespoon of freshly minced rosemary. Then we toast this together. You can use dry herbs, but I feel like fresh tastes way better. Then add 1 egg into 2 cups of heavy cream, give that a whisk. And now we pour over our bread mixture. This would make our stuffing nice and rich. And then we'll add in our sausage mixture. We toast this together until everything is evenly distributed. Now we're going to lightly grease a 9x13 pan. Transfer all of it into the pan. Flatten out your stuffing so it spreads out evenly. Bake at 425 degrees for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, the top is brown and crusty and we are ready to eat. And there you guys have it, traditional sausage stuffing. Enjoy! Buen provecho!